Hey, I'm Chapman. I'm from North Narrabeen in Sydney, and I'm the founder of the Good Human Factory. About 6 months ago, my little sister came home from school and told me she'd lost a friend to suicide, and that really struck a nerve with me. And 2 weeks later, she came home again and said another friend had taken his life, and that just really ate up at me. And I was like, you know what? I've got to do something. I looked up the statistics and got a bit in depth about it and realised how bad the suicide rate really is in Australia, and it's only increasing. So I thought, I have to do something about this. It's always been a passion of mine to help people and really share my experiences and my learnings through life, and I feel like I've learned some things that are extremely valuable and have worked for me to build mental resilience and increase my mental health. So over the coming months, I'm going to be going to schools. I've created a presentation sharing different little tricks and tips that work for me that relate to philosophy, meditation, reading and understanding, and also gratitude, super important. And then the back half of my presentation talks a lot about kindness, compliments and empathy. And if all I get out of my presentations is kids being a little bit kinder to each other, then I think I've done my job. So be sure to follow my journey. You might find something that you can really relate to, or you might be able to share it with somebody who you think will get something out of it.